Cooperative Learning. Amanda.
Rory.
Sabrina.
Cooperative learning is the instructional use of small groups in which students help each other learn academic content. Cooperative learning is the anti-venom of social Darwinism, a theory that promoted interpersonal competition with slogans such as "It's a dog-eat-dog world" and "Survival of the fittest." There are 5 basic elements to cooperative learning. 1. Positive interdependence. 2. Individual accountability. 3. Face-to-face promotive interactions. 4. Social skills. And 5. Group processing. 1. Positive interdependence is a perception that we are linked and need one another to complete the group task. Students help each other learn because they care about the group and its members and come to derive self-identity benefits from group membership. Individual accountability. The performance of each member is assessed and the results are given back to the individual and the group. For example, give a test to each member, randomly select one student's product to represent to the group, or have one member explain what they learned to a classmate. Face-to-face promotive interaction. The accountability to peers, the ability to influence each other's reasoning and conclusions, social support, and interpersonal rewards all increase face-to-face interaction.
Number 4, social skills. Students must be taught leadership, decision-making, trust-building, communication, and conflict management skills, just as purposefully and precisely as academic skills. Group processing, number 5. Members discuss what member actions were helpful and which were unhelpful, and make decisions about what behaviors to continue or change to be successful. Student profile, autism. Cooperative learning groups coupled with peer tutoring on keywords and facts, team activity, teacher monitoring and feedback, as well as group reinforcement, heighten social skills. Cooperative learning procedures are an effective instructional practice for students with autism through systematic guidance and encouragement of interactions amongst students with and without autism. Duggan et al., 1995. Student profiles, learning disability. Cooperative learning creates a less restrictive classroom environment. Studies show that it increases the attention of students with learning disabilities. Continued. Cooperative teams have been found to benefit students with learning disabilities. Students have reliably higher gains in homework completion, rates, and accuracy. McMaster and Fox, 2002.
3 approaches to cooperative learning. Number 1, formal. May be used to teach specific content over what period of a class or several weeks. Number 2, informal lectures. Ensures active cognitive processing of information during a lecture or a demonstration. Number 3, base groups. It provides long-term support and assistance for academic progression, usually over a long period of time. How to use cooperative learning strategies in the classroom. The jigsaw method. Through the jigsaw method, students study materials on one of the several topics distributed among the group members. They meet in expert groups to share information on their topics with members of other teams who had the same topic, and then take turns presenting their findings to their original team. Method 2. The Think, Pair, Share strategy is a cooperative learning technique that engages individual participation and is applicable across all grade levels and class sizes. Students think through questions using 3 distinct steps. Number 1, think. Students think independently about the question that has been posed, forming ideas of their own. Number 2, pair. Students are grouped in pairs to discuss their thoughts. This step allows students to articulate their ideas and to consider those of others. 3, share. Students share their ideas with a larger group, such as the whole class. Often, students are more comfortable presenting ideas to a group with the support of a partner. In addition, students' ideas have become more refined through the 3-step process.